Here is a little video of the greenhouse at sunrise, just after I opened manually the vent. Because we still haven't quite figured out how to do it. One of the temperature sensors not working. So here is the front vent motor, and here is the top vent motor and the quilt. Behind here there is a black container for water to hold it, because it's brought, it's filled from a river 300 meters away. This is the top vent. In retrospect, I think the top vent could have been larger, much larger. This is how it looks from the front. And let's see if we can take a full picture. As I can get. This is from the front. You can see the ETFE foil above the vent, which transmits about 10-15% more light. And it lasts forever. So the quilt did make a big difference relative without the quilt rolled down, with the vents closed. The temperature inside was only about 5 degrees warmer than outside in the morning, and with the quilt down it was more like 10 degrees warmer inside than outside. If there was no quilt on the north wall, it was just plastic, probably it would have been only 3 degrees warmer.